What's going on, everybody? So right here we have a gas line, heavy duty gas line, and we are just going to go ahead, unbox it and show it to y'all. This is how it came in. Ziploc bag, 3/4, 48 inches, nice and flexible gas line. And right there it says gas. And we have the bag of goodies. They give you gloves so you can stay professional. You have an elbow adjuster. That's your female. This is your male. Pop that. Have a quick connect. This is nice, big, heavy duty. Boom. Push down. Push it in. It snaps. You have a cover. If you need to cover your port, definitely need tape. Elbow. You have your ball valve right here. You need to do any gas work, make sure you turn your gas off. All right, they have a retaining cable right here. Take off these protector caps. The tape is for leaks. All right, it keeps your threads sealed. Wrap it around your thread. You will need 2 wrenches. Wrench here, and tighten it real tight. Put tape around. And again, I'm just showing you a scenario of how to hook this up because it comes with so many attachments. All right, again, wrench, make sure it's tight. And then if you want to quick connect to another line or something, or hook this up to your main port that you have, you can use this to hook it up. Push, and that's it to release. Push back, and it releases. All right, so that's a scenario. Or you could leave it like that. You put your valve on like this. Your 3/4 elbow right here. Just wrap your tape around. You'll put your valve on. Okay, again, you want to use a wrench to hold that and then use another wrench to turn this one. To put this on to your main line, you can do that however you want to do it. Or however your situation is. I don't know, you might be on a food truck and this might be a gas line that you might need. So this could be your main line right here, and this can be your on and off, while on this side could be your swivel side. Nice, big, durable, definitely flexible. All right, it stays in the shape. If you want to put it in the S shape, you could put it in the S shape. All right, you guys, so nice 3/4 commercial grade. All right, and it also comes in blue, gray, and obviously yellow, right? That's what's mostly used for gas. And that will be all. If you have a food truck, a small appliance, something like that, this is commercial grade. So commercial grade gas line, 3/4, heavy duty, comes with everything you need. Shut off valve, which is this in the regular stores, right? Okay, by itself, this is already up there as far as the price goes. But then you have the quick connect, elbows, universal elbow. Can't beat that. You can't beat it, you guys. You can't beat it, you guys. So that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.